This channel is specially created for students preparing for PT and IELTS. Here you will get easy tricks, real exam practice, vocabulary, reading, listening, and speaking tips that will help you score higher in your exam. If you want to improve your English and achieve your dream score, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. So let's start your success journey together here. So these are PT reading uh, fill in the blanks, which are very tricky, and I will discuss some tips and tricks here. So in this today's video, we are going to practice one of the most scoring but tricky task of PT reading, fill in the blanks. I will explain you how to choose correct words, how to use grammar and vocabulary, and how to avoid common mistakes. If you want to improve your reading score quickly, so watch this video till the end. So let's start here. Is it a glimpse of the dystopian future of just common sense approach to technology? Either way, Gatwick Airport's newest hotel effort offers something different, a vision of a post-employment economy where tasks are. So here is why there is are. तो यहाँ पे हम थर्ड फॉर्म का यूज करेंगे. सो यहाँ पे शेक नो, reliable no, build no, reception no, essential no, rendered and automated. कंप्यूटर के लिए हम ऑटोमेटेड वर्ड का यूज करेंगे. सो हियर विल बी आंसर ऑटोमेटेड बाय कंप्यूटर्स. देन despite its unglamorous location in renovated office block above the airport south terminal, block has grand plan 2 up 2 after 2 we have to write first form reliable shake reliable build reception essential render. सो यहाँ पे भी आंसर नहीं आएगा, essential भी नहीं आएगा, रिसेप्शन भी नहीं आएगा. Shake up. So to shake up hotel industry. So those are collocations. So it will be together. Once guests have made a reservation online, they are given a code that can be used to log into an app, enabling them to check it without standing at a desk. So which type of desk? Reception. Then we have to read here. Even keys have been after have been, we have to write third form. So there is only one third form. So we should check the answers. So all answer is correct. We have to go next. The flute is a plucked string instrument that a central role in a European music from the late Middle Aged to the Baroque period. So Middle Aged late पास्ट टाइम की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. तो रोल क्या किया था, प्ले किया था, तो आई थिंक यहाँ पे played. After that, its pear-shaped body and fretted neck. It is a versatile instrument suitable both for the solo performance and the nimble playing. So, neck decline, no. Artificial, no. Made, yeah. So, इसमें बॉडी शेप की और वो किस चीज से बनी थी, इस चीज की बात हो रही है. कैसी थी, कैसी बनी थी नेक, फ्रेटेड नेक मेड. इट्स अ versatile instrument. Unlike the modern guitar, The lute usually has courses of paired strings which produce a richer and more sound. किस तरह का sound? More declined, no. Artificial, no. Resonant, sudden, so resonant sound. In the 18th century, however, its popularity gradually has keyboard instruments become more fashionable. So gradually क्या हुई? डिक्लाइन हुई, इंक्रीज हुई, क्या हुई? हमें इस चीज का यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है. तो इसमें हमारा आंसर होगा डिक्लाइन होगी. It remains an important subject of study, and today it is still frequently featured concert in historically concerts. So artificial no, sudden no, informed concert featured in today, and today is still frequently featured in historically informed concert. Answers, those are right. After that, we have to do next one. This is very small paragraph. The pandemic created an urgent situation from prompting unprecedented to bolster the health. Bolster the health. So here is easy throughout strain profession system sector contribution. So यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर आएगा contribution, क्योंकि इसने हेल्थ जो पेंडेमिक क्रिएटेड एन अर्जेंट सिचुएशन उसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या था? बॉल्स्टर क्या किया? किसको? हेल्थ को. सिस्टम हेल्थ सिस्टम को बॉल्स्टर किया. रिफॉर्म द परमिटिकल एंड distribute leave the country. Medical sector and distribute leave the country throughout the country. Answers all correct. Next one. In studies of chimpanzees' behavior, researchers seek to how they learn to use tool. So after two, we cannot we cannot write drag answer here, any third form, ing form. We have to write only first form. Drag and drop only first form. So for kitten, no. Training, ing, no. Without, no. Sent, second or third form. Applied, second and third form. So here is answer. Answer is only answer. So in studies of chimpanzees, behavior researchers seek to answer how they learn to use tool with finds to understanding primate cognition. So find with finds to understand. So find to finds applied to understanding. जो उनके find थी, जो भी उन्हें tools थे, उनको apply किया to understand primate cognition in an experiment. Signals were, afterward we have to write third form. To test communication skill, तो जो signal थे उनको क्या किया? Send किया to test communication skill. And response occurred prior training, and responses occurred without prior training. Urbanization has drastically landscapes around the world, changing how animals with nature. तो यहाँ पे कुछ चेंज होने की बात हो रही है. Urbanization has drastically, so यहाँ पे has है, तो यहाँ पे थर्ड फॉर्म आएगी. This is third form and that one is third form. So we have to write this one. Alter. Alter means something change, something happen, changing happen. So alter landscape around the world, changing how animals with interact with. So these are collocation. Always come together. And after that, so creating heat uh, islands with higher temperatures and biodiversity, because although we consider cities to be human residences, how many other creatures are also. So यहाँ पे एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है, यहाँ पे चेंजिंग है, यहाँ पे क्रिएटिंग है आफ्टर कॉमा. सो यहाँ पर भी आईएनजी वाला आंसर आएगा एंड के बाद. सो यहाँ पे एक ये आईएनजी है, एक यहाँ पे है, एक यहाँ पे. तो ये वाला यहाँ पे नहीं होगा, क्योंकि इंक्लूडिंग के बाद, इंक्लूडिंग लाइक यूज फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स. तो यहाँ पे आगे कॉमा कॉमा में हमें काफी सारे एग्जाम्पल दिए होते हैं, तो हमारा इंक्लूडिंग इस दिस इज इनहेबिटिंग, यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा. यहाँ पे आएगा अफेक्टिंग, अफेक्टिंग डाइवर्सिटी, बिकॉज ऑल्दो वी कंसीडर सिटीज टू बी ह्यूमन रेसिडेंसेस. अफेक्टिंग, consider cities to be human residences. Many other creatures are also, so are के बाद भी ing, including no, inhabiting the urban areas along with us. Answer correct. This one contact clues all the words and phrases that are near a word based on the other words around them. तो यहाँ पे ऑफ है तो कोलोकेशन आएगा. कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ नो, constitute, common of no, consist of, consist of, always together. This is collocation word. Often define words based on the other words around them. If you are reading a lot of material, you don't have time to look up words. Which type of words? Look up individual words. Reading words constant help a high level of focus. So helps already as we have to write here. Fixed form of verb. So ensure a high level of focus where breaking your to look up words is distracting. Breaking your concentration. Oh, sorry. All answer is correct. Scientists first a hole in the ozone layer, a thin part of the Earth's atmosphere back in 1985. So in 1985 में साइंटिस्ट ने क्या किया था? सो यहाँ पे 1985 की तो पास्ट की बात होगी. हॉल इज पास्ट. डायड, रिकॉर्डेड, एडवर्टाइज्ड, आइडेंटिफाइड. आइडेंटिफाई किया था उन्होंने, पहचान की थी. Countries a global agreement called the Montreal Protocol, which established the phase out in almost 100 synthetic chemicals that were to the destruction of the ozone. कंट्रीज ने क्या किया था? एग्रीमेंट को क्या किया था? adopted a agreement, global agreement. Synthetic chemicals that were tied to correlated to destruction of the ozone. Ozone. Correct.